In this video, we will learn how to solve inequality which have unknowns on both sides, and the key is moving the smaller one. So objective is I will learn how to solve inequality when there are unknown on both sides. And the key is moving the smaller unknown to the other side. Let us take a look. So what you have learned in Sec 1 is a typical question will look like this. 2x minus 19 is equals to 7x plus 6. So when they ask you to solve, it's finding the value of x. So very simple. 2x I bring over, plus 6 I bring over. So plus 6, it will become negative 6 minus 19 is equals to 7x minus 2x. So over here, if you take out your calculator, I know it's difficult to believe, but the answer is negative 25 is equals to 5x. Next, we would like to move the 5 over, so it will be negative 25 divided by 5, and this is equals to x, so x will be equals to negative 5. How about inequality in Sec 2? They will ask us to solve and represent on a number line, and actually the steps are identical. And if you remember, my key is to move the smaller x value over to the other side. And in this case, it is 2x, so I will move 2x over, while positive 6 can come over. So positive 6, after it comes over, it will become negative 6 minus 19 is smaller or equals to 7x. Because this one is a plus 2x, I move over, it will become negative 2x. So negative 25 is smaller than or equals to 5x. So we will move the 5 over, and I will have negative 25 divided by 5 will be smaller or equals to x. And I will get negative 5 is smaller or equals to x. And if I want to represent this on a number line, I'll just draw a number line, negative 5. And because x is smaller, I will just write a circle and here. Okay, next, please try this question out yourself. Move the x coefficient that have the smallest number. And if you need the answer, it is negative 6 is larger than x. So if you need some help, the 3x I will move over, plus 16 I will move over. So it will become negative 16 minus 8 because 8 is not changing. Then 7x minus away 3x. So I have negative 24 is larger than 4x. And you get negative 24 divided by 4, and you will have this inequality of x, and it will be negative 6 is larger or smaller than x. Now, can you write this? X is smaller or equals to negative 6. Can you write this? Yes, because they are essentially the same thing. Alright? Lastly, let us try to recap on how to solve this kind of equation, which there are two methods. One method is to split them up, the other method is to cross multiply, which is this. So let me just erase this. So what I will get is 6 times 2x plus 3, 6 times 2x plus 3 is equals to 4 times 5x minus 1. What I will get is 12x plus 18 minus 20x minus 4. So right here, you can see that I have 12x here and 20x here. And because 12 is smaller, I will need to move 12 over here. 4 I can move here, so I will have 4 plus 18 is equals to 20x minus 12x. So here I have 22. Wow, this will be equals to 8x. So 22 over 8 will be equals to x. X will be equals to... Now, one thing to take note is, if you write your answer in mixed number, it is actually more informative in this case. Now let us take a look at the inequality counters part. So again, let us do cross multiplication. The only difference is, or actually it's not different, it's the same thing. The only issue is for equation, if you do it like this, right, you will still get the correct answer. But for inequality, you need to go from denominator of the first term to the numerator of the second, and 6 times 2x plus 3 to the left hand side. If you do it like this, right, you get it wrong. You must do it from the left side bottom or left side denominator to the numerator and multiplies the denominator of the second term to the numerator of the first. It must be done in this manner, or else you get the wrong answer. So 6 times 2x plus 3, and let me just erase this because it's getting in the way of larger than 4 times 5x minus 1. So 12x plus 18 is larger than 20x minus 4. So from what we have learned, we need to move the smaller x over to the other side. This negative 4 can come over. So I will have 4 plus 18 is larger than 20x minus 12x. So I have 22 is larger or equals to 8x. And 22 divided by 8, I will have 2 and 3 over 4 is larger or equals to x. And this will be my answer. Now, if your answer is x is smaller or equals to 2 and 3 over 4, your answer is also correct. These two answers are correct. Because at the end of the day, x is still smaller than the other number. Finally, please try out this question yourself. Pause the video, try it out, and if you want the answer, it is down here. Alright?